Do you get excited at the thought of receiving a tax refund once a year? Getting a tax refund, it might feel like a windfall, but it's actually an indicator that you've been paying the government too much money. Instead of maximizing that paycheck, you've essentially given the US government a 12-month interest free loan. The key to strong financial health is putting money to work all year long. Now, whether this be by investing, paying down debt, or saving for future goals, that's a much better alternative than paying the government money you don't have to. Let me offer a suggestion. Rather than waiting for a refund, work with your tax professional to adjust your withholdings so you can keep more of your hard-earned money throughout the year. This allows you to earn potential returns, pay down high interest debt faster, and increase your financial flexibility. A tax refund might feel like a bonus, but it's better to maximize your money's earning potential all year long in order to reach your financial goals faster.